Hi, welcome back to Clutter Fairy, where I help you get clutter-free so that you can live stress-free. Really quick, I wanted to go over something that you should always do if you're helping someone purge or downsize. We are very thorough when we go through things because certain people are very creative in hiding their treasures. So we came across this VHS tape and we noticed that it sounded a little bit different. So upon further investigation, when we opened it, we noticed that the part where the tape is looked different. It looked like it was a sticker. So we pull it out, we really start looking at it. Oh my gosh, lo and behold, we pop it open and there's a Rolex, a diamond ring, and it looks like a jade and diamond ring. Incredible. We would have set this aside for the family to look at in case it was memories of, a long lost grandfather or something. But when I spoke to the homeowner, she said she would have just thrown it in the trash, or excuse me, the family member. She would have thrown it away because she had no idea that this was in there. So always check, always be thorough. Here's a bunch of little safes that you can buy online, so be on the lookout for these. On the other hand, I think they're a great way to protect your valuables. Just make sure someone knows so that it doesn't get accidentally thrown away. See you soon.